Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to add Steam games on your Steam, like already installed games on your Steam. So it ain't that difficult. Let's get to it. So first thing you got to do is open Steam and click on the left top corner where the Steam icon is, and then go to settings, and from there click on storage. If it's not on the same disk, if you want to add another disk where it's saved, you can just click on this arrow and then you go to add drive. But assuming that it's on drive C, you're just gonna leave it like this, and then from here you press the three dots which are here, and then from the three dots you press browse folder. So it's going to look like this. So from here you're gonna just locate where your folders are with the Steam games, and then you select the folder and you're done. It will automatically put the games here. So that's how you add your Steam games on Steam. You already installed Steam games on Steam.